How you doing, everybody? My name is Jason McKinley. I'm the manager over here at Mice Hunters. We're over at a customer's house here. Want to be able to seal for mice. We're going to be taking out some great stuff and some other sealant that's existing already. To want to be able to place in some 1/4-inch wire mesh to want to be able to seal the house for mice. I'm sure we're going to be going through everything step by step to want to be able to show different processes, where we're at, around some stoops, around some other areas where we're seeing some evidence of mice. Let's get started. Looking at the house here, we got a couple issues that I'm going to wind up having to take care of. A lot of DIY for people to be able to seal for mice, to put this great stuff into place, which just pops out. And if I can be able to pop that out, mice can be able to get it back in. By the way, don't go to Buc-ee's, burn coffee. So, pulled out some, this was stuffed in behind into this little hole into here, and you can see where the mice have chewed through. They'll make room for them to want to be able to get themselves into. Wow. And they've also done that through the bottom side here, and you can see how it's left a large opening here. I'm still cleaning out. Just continue going around the house here. Might be able to put mesh in these areas. Got to go up, be able to hit the wall up above. We'll seal all points of entry. Don't know if that's lead paint or not. Don't need it.
I won't need it.
All right, good deal.
Your mama done raised a good kid. Don't read the paint.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the mice are going right in there. I can see them all. Yeah, so the mice were definitely getting inside of there. That's a big hole.
Mm-hmm.
All on film.
Hey, there's Zach and Cody.
It's the 8th.